Alright guys, so this one is for all the new people coming in who need to create a user ID, I guess, on the Carestream equipment, okay? So when you come into any workstation or portable device, this is your main screen, your login screen. Now to create yourself for the first time, you're going to turn your caps lock on, and then you're going to use username is SA, it's short for Security Administrator. There we go. And your password, surprise surprise, is security, and again this is in all caps. Okay, once you get that typed in, you hit log on, bada bing. So please don't do anything other than create your user here, because as security administrator you might be able to cause some problems. So just to create your account. So first thing you do is click on security administrator, then you kind of come up to user configuration. Now this is where we can add and remove people. So let's just add some fake person. To add them, you go down to add user, and then it toggles you into the username. So we're going to do fake name. Oh, turn your caps off. This is your computer login, your computer ID. This is your regular every computer, every use computer ID. I think you get the point, okay? So we'll make this one just fake name. And I thought I turned my caps lock off. What a dummy. Fake name 1. There we go. So then you just add your name by clicking on full name right over here. We'll do fake name. How fun. Okay, once your ID and name is in there, your role, you're gonna click here and default yourself to technologist, okay? Once that's on, you're gonna click save changes, and the wheel of time will just spin, and it probably takes a minute or two, so just be patient. Alright, once that wheel of time goes away, just hit main menu, and then you're going to log out. To do that, you come down to your little start icon and hit log out, okay? Now from here, it's a little bit interesting, because what you're going to do is type in your computer ID. So for us, we did fake name, and you type that in twice. You put it both on the username line and the password line, because after we do this, it's going to recognize our username and prompt us to create a password, if you're not a dummy or spell things wrong like I just did. Let's try that again, but this time I'll actually watch the keyboard. Silly me, it's fname1 was our computer login that we made up here. So let's get this right. Okay, fname1 and fname1 on both lines, log on, boom. Then it'll take you to this screen. So you make your password. No one's gonna try to hack your account, so you wanna make it memorable and pretty simple, because on the NICU machine, that's our only retrofit machine, and every time you log in you have to actually type it out. So if you make it a big long 12-character password, you're gonna hate your life. Okay, so once you get it typed in, after you've chosen your password, click on change password. Okay, now you're in. Look at that, look who it is. Who's fake name? He sounds like a real jerk. Now if you want to be able to badge into these computers, they all have these little Imprivata ID boxes. So to do that, you hit utilities, come up to register badge, then you're going to hold your badge over the box until it beeps. Okay, then it's going to prompt you like this. Put in your password and then hit save changes. I'm not going to do that because I already have an account and I don't want to mess up my badge, but you get the idea. So once it saves, you go back to main menu and it'll have your name up there. You'll be good to go on this device. You have to go through this whole process on every single Carestream device. We have the 2 rooms. They're just right here, right next to each other. We have 2 portables on the ground floor. We have a portable on the Peterson 4th floor and on the Peterson 5th floor. We have a portable in the NICU, and there are 2 portables up in the OR. So you'll have to do this several times, so you'll be a pro at it by the time you're done. And I hope you love your life.